Welcome to Compare to Win. The Best Christmas House is probably one of the most heartwarming holiday movies, perfect for getting into the festive spirit. This movie is a delightful blend of family, love, and the magic of Christmas, making it a must-watch for anyone seeking a feel-good experience during the holiday season. With its charming storyline and beautiful visuals, it's sure to bring joy and warmth to your heart. Number 5. Department 56 Griswold Holiday House Lit Building. Welcome to the Griswold Holiday House. This building is part of the National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation Village collection. It's a perfect addition to your holiday display. This building coordinates with other figurines, like Fire It Up, Dad. Sold separately. You can create a complete Christmas vacation scene with this and other pieces. Each piece is handcrafted from high-quality dolomite material. Skilled artisans hand-paint it with intricate detail, making it a unique and beautiful item. The building features LED lights that illuminate the scene. An AC adapter is included, and you can choose between steady or blinking light modes. The dimensions of this building are 11.02 inches long, 6.89 inches wide, and 7.48 inches high. It's the perfect size for your holiday village display. What we like? This building is meticulously hand-painted, capturing every detail of the Griswold house. It features LED lights, adding a warm glow to your holiday display. If you're a fan of the classic movie and want to bring a piece of it into your home, you should consider this. What people say. The Christmas House is a heartwarming and enjoyable movie. The movie has a great storyline and is well acted. The Christmas House is a perfect movie to watch during the holiday season. Number 4. Department 56 A Christmas Story RALPHIE'S House. This is the Department 56 A Christmas Story RALPHIE'S House. It's a lighted building, perfect for your holiday display. Introduced in January 2012, it's a classic. The product was first introduced in January 2012. It quickly became a favorite for collectors. It's a great addition to any Christmas village. This is one of the many lighted buildings from Department 56. The lights add a warm glow to any display. It's sure to bring joy to your home. The house has a height of 7.24 inches, a width of 6.5 inches, and a length of 6.3 inches. It's the perfect size for your holiday setup. You can easily find a place for it. This is the product's model number 4029245. It is a highly sought-after collectible. Get yours today. What we like? This lighted building perfectly captures the charm of RALPHIE'S house. It's a great addition to any Christmas village. If you love the movie and want to relive those cherished moments, you should choose this. What people say. If you are a fan of a Christmas story, you will like this cute house. Amazon gets 5 stars for ordering, delivery, on time. At Department 56 gets 4 stars for well-made product, well-designed reusable packaging, just the right size to go with the rest of our Christmas village, looks just like RALPHIE'S house. The flagpole scene that goes with the house gets 5 stars. Number 3. MetaQuest 2 256GB all-in-one VR headset. This is the MetaQuest 2. It's an advanced all-in-one virtual reality headset. It offers a seamless and immersive experience for users aged 13 and up. With a super-fast processor and high-resolution display, it keeps your experience smooth. Even when high-speed action unfolds around you, it will keep up. Experience total immersion with 3D positional audio, hand tracking, and haptic feedback. These features work together to make virtual worlds feel incredibly real. Explore an expanding universe of over 250 titles. It includes gaming, fitness, social multiplayer, and entertainment options. There are exclusive releases and unique VR experiences. Travel universes, scare yourself in horror adventures, or collaborate in innovative workspaces. Come together in social spaces and multiplayer arenas with friends and family. Be truly free to roam in VR. With a wireless headset, intuitive controls, a built-in battery, and easy setup, no PC or console is needed. What we like? This VR headset offers a fully immersive experience with 3D audio and hand tracking. It's wireless, easy to set up, and has a vast library of games and experiences. If you're looking for a cutting-edge entertainment experience, you should consider it. What people say. The Christmas House is a heartwarming and enjoyable movie. The movie has a great storyline and is well acted. The Christmas House is a perfect movie to watch during the holiday season. Number 2. Nostalgia S'mores Maker, Indoor Electric S'mores Kit. Bring the campfire experience indoors with this s'mores maker. It's perfect for family night, offering all the fun of roasting marshmallows without leaving your home. This kit provides everything you need for perfect s'mores every time. Forget about the mess and danger of open flames. This electric heater is designed with safety in mind. All you need is an outlet to start making delicious, golden brown s'mores. The kit includes 2 stainless steel forks to keep your hands safe. It also comes with 4 trays to hold all your favorite s'mores ingredients. This makes it easy to share with everyone. Cleaning up is a breeze with this durable s'mores maker. It has a sturdy base and easy to disassemble trays. This makes it quick and simple to wash after every use. Nostalgia offers unique and fun products. The design is inspired by early 19th century America. It preserves the past, embraces the present, and looks forward to the future. What we like. This tabletop s'mores maker brings the campfire experience indoors safely. It features a flameless heater and includes roasting forks for easy use. If you like family fun and want to enjoy s'mores year-round, you should consider this. What people say. The Christmas House is a heartwarming movie. It's a great movie to watch during the Christmas season. The movie has a great storyline. Number 1. Snoozies Sequin Slippers for Women with Sherpa Lining. These slippers are designed for ultimate comfort. They feature a soft Sherpa lining, perfect for keeping your feet warm and cozy indoors. The sequin design adds a touch of sparkle. These slippers are not only comfortable but also fashionable, making them a great choice for relaxing at home. These slippers are ideal for indoor use. The soft materials and comfortable design make them perfect for lounging around the house. The Sherpa lining provides exceptional warmth. It keeps your feet snug and comfortable, especially during colder months. These slippers come with grips on the bottom. This feature ensures safety and prevents slips on smooth surfaces. What we like. These sequin slippers offer cozy comfort with a Sherpa lining. They have non-slip grips for safety. If you are looking for a comfortable and stylish way to relax at home, you should consider these. What people say. The Christmas House is a heartwarming and enjoyable movie. It's a great movie to watch during the holiday season. The movie has a good storyline. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.